Exactly. That's what I was saying. You know, I really like that animal face. It was really good, but the buds weren't as big as they could have been. Yeah, I'd agree with you, but that purple on it was pretty sweet, and the taste was really nice, huh? Boys! Boys! Yes, General? Well, boys, I come to talk to you, because it's time to start Operation Kill 'em with Kindness. Yes, sir? What is Operation Kill 'em with Kindness? Yeah, sir, what do you mean? Well, guys, we're gonna love on the trolls. You know, there's several deep, dark trolls out there, and we're gonna be loving on them. We're not gonna spread any hate within the community. We're gonna simply love them, tell them what we do out here, and hopefully show them the error of their ways, and maybe they'll change and come on over to the gnome side. Yeah, that'd be great, sir. I think that's an awesome idea. Yeah, sir, that's great. All right, we'll put it into action immediately. That's what I wanted to hear, boys. So starting today, I want to see you guys put into action Operation Kill 'em with Kindness. Oh, you bet, sir, we'll do. Sir. And as always, we'll make sure everybody keeps happy, stay stoned, and urban gardens, sir. I knew I could count on you guys. Go out there and kill 'em with kindness!